Hi, my name is John Farnham, and I'm doing my project on the blue-ringed octopus. Right here, we have the taxonomy of the blue-ringed octopus. It's in the kingdom Animalia, the phylum Mollusca, class Cephalopodata, or the orders Octopoda, and the families Octopodidae. The genus is the Haplocolena, and the species is the H. lumulata, which is also in the front. Um, Sorry for my pronunciation. I'm sure it was pretty bad. And then for identification of the blue ringed octopus, it's pale brown in color, and then it has a lot of iridescent blue markings, especially when it's agitated or hunting. So um, they're almost like fluorescent when they get agitated, so they're very obvious to see, but they're also very rare to see. So if you were to see an octopus with a lot of bright blue rings on it, then this would be definitely the octopus you're looking at. They tend to be 12 to 20 centimeters long, and they weigh 10 to 100 grams. They range mostly from Japan to the seas around southern Australia. Um, they also can be found in the Mediterranean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico, as well as like around the Bahamas and even in um, Southern California on the Pacific Ocean that can be found too, but mostly they tend to be found Sea of Japan and then all the way down to Southern Australia. Their habitat is they're mostly found in rubble or reef, cracks and small stones on top of reefs. They live on the bottom of the ocean, and they also can are very good at camouflage, so they can kind of hide in the rocks too. And they don't always have the bright blue rings kind of shown. A lot of times they only kind of look brownish. They're very difficult to find, as I said before, so sightings are very rarely reported. For reproduction, southern blue-ringed octopuses they do internal fertilization. So the female lays benthic eggs, which is basically the same as what fish do, and then the female will guard what she hatches because fish eggs are a very common thing for predators to try to eat, and this can sometimes last as long as several months. And while guarding the eggs, females usually become weak and then they die, usually after the eggs hatch. For the predators and the prey of the blue-ringed octopus, predators can be birds, whales, and eels. Um, they do have a toxin that they have in their saliva. That's what they use on their own prey. But obviously for bigger animals, it doesn't really work. So for small crustaceans, shrimps and crabs, and then like smaller injured fish, that is usually what they eat for food. And then they have to watch out for birds, whales, and eels a lot, and any kind of bigger animal that can eat them.